Happy 18th birthday. I hope you enjoy your very special birthday celebration. Time flies so fast. I can't believe that you are 18 now. And I'm getting old. But this is a privilege for that I look like your big sister. Right? Agree? I am so grateful that God gave me a daughter like you. I am blessed to have a daughter and a best friend that I can talk to and tell anything and everything. You are the greatest gift I've ever had from Daddy. May kwento po kasi. We wanted to have Eliza this birthday celebration. Kasi po, hindi po ako nakaranas ng debut. Kaya gusto ko iparanas sa kanya kung gaano kasaya at masarap magkaroon ng ganito birthday celebration. Kasi, pero mas bonggaling sa akin. Hindi ako nakapag-debut, pero I had the greatest gift that I've ever had. Don't cry. No, I'm not. You are a good daughter that every parent would want to have, and we are lucky. You always listen to us. Very caring, loving, understanding, helpful, and kind. Daddy and I did a good job in raising you. Okay. I wish you more happiness in life. Just enjoy it and follow your dreams. Success in whatever path you take. Just remember, we are always here to guide you no matter what. Continue to be a good sister to Drew. I know sometimes she's makulit. Sorry, Drew. Thank you very much to God for all the blessings. My family in the Philippines, and everyone involved, and made it special for Eliza's birthday. Thank you very much, everyone, for being with us to celebrate Eliza's birthday. I'm so happy. Salamat po sa lahat ng effort nyo. Nung nakita ko nagdadating na rin mga bisisayas ko, oh my God, oh my, talagang they put an effort. Look at you guys. You are so beautiful. Fabulous. To my mom-in-law, thank you very much for always helping us. My sister-in-law, thanks Lay for bringing all the dresses, the gowns, and everything for us. I will pass it to guest na lang. Continue, and every one of you.
I would just like to say, this is her big day, so I'm thankful that you all came and making this a very special one for her. Thank you everyone. Thank you for coming.
Thank you very much, Daddy Lester and Mommy Giselle. Thank you for such loving parents to Eliza. But of course, we're going to hear a message from the WWE.